Hello everyone. Today we have a grade 12 math geometry problem. In a rectangle, there are 4 lines. The first one is 4, the second one is 6, and the third one is 5. What is the value of the fourth line x? Pause the video if you want to try the problem yourself, and when you're ready, keep watching. I'll start this problem by drawing a line perpendicular to the rectangle. And I'll label this part A, this part B, this part C, and this part D. So now we know that A squared plus C squared equals 4 squared, which is 16. B squared plus C squared equals x squared. That's the one on the bottom left. A squared plus D squared equals 6 squared, which is 36. That's one on the top right. And B squared plus D squared equals 5 squared, which is 25. Now I'm going to label these equations. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, and equation 4. Just so that it's easier to explain. Now we're going to minus equation 2 from equation 1. So that's equation 1 minus equation 2, which is A squared plus C squared minus B squared minus C squared. And the C squares cancel out, so that's A squared minus B squared, which is also 16 minus x squared because of up here. We're going to do the same to equation 3 and equation 4. So equation 3 minus equation 4 equals A squared plus D squared minus B squared minus D squared. And just like above, the D squares cancel out. So that's A squared minus B squared, which is 36 minus 25, which is 11. And from looking up here, we can figure out that both equation 1 minus equation 2 and equation 3 minus equation 4 gets the result A squared minus B squared. So we can get the conclusion that equation 1 minus equation 2 equals equation 3 minus equation 4. And since equation 1 minus equation 2 also equal 16 minus x squared, and equation 3 minus equation 4 equals 11, we can get that 16 minus x squared equals 11. So x squared equals 16 minus 11. X squared equals 5. So the answer to this problem is x equals square root of 5.